In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert bullet points in Excel. Let's get started. There are multiple ways to insert bullet points in Excel, and today, we're going to cover the easiest and most practical method. Let's say we want to display a list of 3 steps from the table using bullet points in column C. First, we need to select the cells where the bullet-pointed list will display. Then by right-clicking, we access the option Format Cells. In the Number tab, select the category Custom. Now what follows is crucial to display our bullet points with the task list. To insert bullet points in the cells, start by entering the specific bullet point symbol you want to use in this field, followed by a space and the @ sign. Once done, press OK. And let's try it out together. When we type in step 1, 2, 3, Excel inserts the bullet point we entered in the type field a short while ago in front of each entry. Changing the type of the bullet point is actually quite simple. Let's take a look. Just as we did earlier, we need to select the cells where we want to make changes. Through our right-click, choose Format Cells, and in the Type field, insert the symbol you want to use. For example, if you want to use an empty bullet point instead of the circle bullet point, we'll enter it here. You can use any type of bullet point or symbol you like. So let's go for the empty bullet point now. If needed, you can find this combination of bullet points in the Insert tab under Symbols. Once we've inserted the chosen symbols, press OK. And Excel will add these bullet points to the text within the selected cells. Even if you change the information in the table, the selected bullet points will continue to display in the cells formatted this way.